What's up guys? So I'm wearing this little teensy, what is it called, a hair roller, because I want my bangs to be like straight and then a whoop. So yeah, so we're gonna start with some face prep. I'm gonna be using the same sugar Aquaholic stick. Whoever called it spring was super wrong. It's really hot here, so this is like refreshing and cold. So I apply it onto my skin because I don't think I can do summer without it anymore. When I bought it for the first time, I actually really hated it because it was like, ew, why is it like mint on my face? But now that I realize how nice it feels on a summer day, I really like it. So if like any wind comes to your face, it instantly gives you this like nice tingling cooling effect. I know a lot of people don't like it, and that is okay. Like, choose what you like. So I'm gonna go into foundation now. I'm using the Innisfree my to go. Why is it my to go and not my go to cushion? My to go cushion. So I'm gonna be using just a light layer. I've actually put myself on vitamin A. I'm on retinol now. That is why I got a little teensy pimples out here. Not like my skin was super clear or whatever, but yeah, so also one of the reasons why I could not shave my mustache. Worried I'm gonna supremely irritate my skin, so I'm just like not doing it. I can go out. I mean, it's okay. Not like can you see my mustache? Can you? No, right? So I'm not gonna put a lot of efforts in my forehead. Just gonna lightly do it because bangs. Gonna go in with a concealer. I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer, and this is in the shade medium deep tan. This concealer, dude, it just does it for me. It has this like really nice peachy kind of an undertone and because of that it really helps, you know, correct my under eye. So I just apply it like that and leave it. I don't immediately blend it out because I wait till it gets a little tacky, because then you get like more coverage or whatever. Oh god, I need to do my brows as well. Anyways, I'm gonna do the sides of my mouth. So every time I sit down to edit, someone's like breaking the house down. Okay, so in the meantime, I'm gonna do my brows. I'm using the Etude House, my drawing eyebrow pencil, and it's in the shade brown. And I want to do my brows super thinly, so I'm gonna try to do that because it's a little thick right now. I don't know. See, your definition of thick and my definition of thick might be different, but this is thick brows for me. So I'm gonna try to do it thinly and then conceal it, I guess. See, I do like thick brows, okay, and like bigger bushier brows, but I personally prefer thin brows, and I would like if they were thicker without all of these gorilla hairs coming out. Oh my god, I was about to fall. See, I always shave my brows because I'm too afraid of threading them. Not only because it pains, but I'm also really afraid of all the comments that the parlor TV would make. So I try to always shave them. If I go there, she'll be like, oh my god, there are so many pimples on your face. Do you like never get your upper lips done? My god, aapko tanning kitni ho rahi hai? And I'm like, dude, I'm already tanned. There is no tanning here. I mean, you know what I'm trying to say. And my god, does threading hurts. But like, seriously though, how much does threading hurt, dude? And I swear to god, I've never been happy with how they used to, you know, thread my hair. They used to make such high eyebrows, dude. It was like mountains on my face. And when you have to like hold it down like that, my hands would like always slip, and I was so afraid of getting cuts. Not pretty, dude. Time to shape this shapeless face. So I'm gonna be using the butter bronzer. This is the only bronzer I have, so this is what I use. And I'm gonna bronze up my face. I don't like contouring, mostly because I don't have a contour. So I just like deal with it. Also because it's like too much effort. You bronze and then you contour, and it's like just do one thing. So I just bronze. In the end, you're like kind of putting warmth and shadows. I mean, technically not. Contouring is putting shadows into your face and bronzing is putting warmth into your face, but it kind of works for me, so I just like bronze. So choose your fighter. So I'm gonna bronze. Let's do eyes, shall we? Oh, you're like super close to me. So I'm gonna be using the ChocOrange palette by Revolution. Guys, I only like use 2 palettes, which is from the same company, just 2 variations because I really like the colors. I'm gonna prep my eyes with the concealer. I'm just going to go all over my eyelid. Oh dude, I forgot to set my eyes. And then I'm gonna go into this darker pink shade and I'm gonna start blending from here. So in Korean makeup, you kind of do blend out here only instead of blending in your crease, and that is what I'm trying today. I mean, that is what I usually do, but okay. And then I bring out the color. So I'm gonna dip into this burnt orange shade and I'm going to pack it on my lid. Pack it up, pack it up. Now I'm gonna go into this dark brown shade and I'm gonna take like super teensy a little bit of it and just like pack it on my outer V and my inner corner. Wow, this looks like I got a black eye, and I'm gonna blend it out and hope it doesn't look that bad. The next thing I'm gonna go is into this liquid glitter. This is by SwissBeauty. It's super cheap. If you live in India, it's like 200 bucks. Get it, it's really nice. So it's like a liquid glitter, but once you like kind of apply it, it like dries into glitter. And I'm gonna apply it like towards the center. Initially I wanted to do like a brown eyeliner, but then I realized my brown eyeliner has died on me, so I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. black eyeliner and kind of line my eyes. I'm gonna do my lower lash line, so I'm gonna be using just the burnt orange shade and going underneath my eyes and just like bringing it out. By the way, I totally forgot to do my powder my under eyes, so I'm gonna do that quickly. What am I trying to do? Prevent already existing creases. I wanted to do an orange blush, but I don't really have one. Will this do? So this is Fit Me in Nude Peach. So I'm gonna try with this. I'm gonna take this teensy brush. It's a brush from NYX Cosmetics and it's 05 if you want to know. You can use any brush that you want. You don't really have to use whatever brushes I'm using, like really. And I'm going to pack it around here. So I'm gonna use like just a little because I'm gonna pack another color on top of it, so I just want to set a base, and that is why I'm just using this a little. Once you've blended it out nicely, you want to go into the palette, and I'm gonna pick up the burnt orange shade, very little, and I'm just gonna put it like across, just that much. So now I'm gonna do a little freckle situation. I'm not really sure about it, but I'm just gonna take this brown. It doesn't work. Yep, it doesn't work. Good. I'm gonna take this other pencil. This is by Rimmel London. It's really dark, so I have to be a little. Why won't these work if I put them in like very little pressure? So I have to go in and use my brown eyeshadow. So I'm gonna dip into the eyeshadow and I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna do like this motion and hopefully it works. It does. Never mind, let's just skip. I'm just gonna put some moles. The scar, I'm gonna put one there. I'm using the Nyka Demi Matte in the shade Basic, which is like a nice peachy nude. And I'm gonna go all over my lips with it. I do go way above my lips to make them look a little bigger. Not way above as in almost up to my nose, like a teensy. Thoda sa. A little above. Going above my lips not only helps my lips to look a little bigger, but it also helps them to look much more soft and blurred out. Now that I'm done with the base color, which is like really pretty, I like this color. I'm gonna go into this Shine Lip Lacquer by Etude House, and this is in the shade Vintage Carrot. No, I absolutely did not steal the Looks name from this product. And I'm gonna go, you know, like insides of my lips just to create a lip gradient. Because I live, eat and breathe and lip gradients, I really cannot ignore that. And I'm gonna do the usual turning myself into Hisoka. So I'm gonna like pull up my lip edges with an eyeliner. You want to look like those glazed ass donuts, so I'm gonna be using, I just have like 2-3 products here, I just reuse them. So I'm gonna be using what is this, K-Beauty in Champagne Pop. I'm gonna take like a big brush so that the highlighter can be like super diffused. Oh, that is a lot. No. A little on my nosy and it up. And that is it. So like, let me get dressed and turn myself into a diva, and I'll be back. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.